I'm looking at her, and I see her underarms look shaved and everything. And I said to her, Avis, what do you use for deodorant? And can you imagine? I'm sitting there, and I say to her, what do you use as deodorant? And she says to me, oh, I don't use the aluminum. I said, that's what I'm after. What do you use? She goes, I have this product I use. Terrific. She gives me the name of it. Spring Fresh Deodorant.
Never heard of it.
Well, it works just like my old deodorant, but it has absolutely no aluminum in it. And this company, and by the way, they're not an advertiser. I'm giving them a free commercial. They deserve it. I hope this company stays. Nature's Gate makes Spring Fresh deodorant.
Nature's Gate.
Nature's Gate.